Yo, it's your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. Here we go. Today was so ugly, bro. Like today was just terrible. Granted, we caught the whole trade. You know what's crazy is that it zeroed out by the time it even hit TP. But I forgot my number one rule, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. And that is if you take any trades after 11 o'clock, Texas time, you need to take one DTE. All right, you need to take the next day's expiration because zero DTE is gonna screw you. Let me show you how. Um, I made $40, but I don't like $40. I want more than that. So this was the setup, right? And this is how we played it. I entered calls. Oops. I entered calls here. All right, this is my first entry. And then just waited, right? So this was at 10:30. 11:50, so an hour and some change later, right? This was my stop loss. All right. So, right, this is my risk. And then this is my reward. However, because we did SPX, I lost tremendous value this whole way down. So by that time, it was still worth about the same amount. Right? So I know that it's crazy, dude. It's absolutely freaking crazy that that's a thing, but it is. So when in doubt, go a day out. Especially if especially if it's at 11:45. So that was just simply my mistake. It could have been. I'm glad I only made $40. Damn near break even for the day. But today was just choppy in general. You probably shouldn't even have touched it today. See, Spy essentially broke my stop loss, but then came right back under it. So it was ugly. I think the most gorgeous chart of the day was actually Tesla. Tesla and AMD, right? So Tesla break right here. I almost grabbed these up to 346, but I didn't. Mondays I go light because Mondays just gives us a tail for the week essentially, right? But this was a beautiful break and retest right there. Didn't even come all the way down to that level. So yeah, 342.79 to 342.17. That would have been it's a great entry. And then the video as well, right? So the video also after this break and reclaim, this entry right here, that's your entry to the upside. Uh, 177.30 to 179. I mean, that's a $2 move. That's gorgeous. It ended up going to 181. As soon as it broke this, that's your telltale. I mean, you could add here and take it to the next level. So I would just say, don't get stuck on one trade. That's what I did today. I had my charts like this, all right, and I was like, I'm good. This is what I want to enter. Let's just wait to see. I actually saw this on Spy and it just turned me on. I just saw this and I was like, oh yeah, let's come back and retest this and get some puts. And we were right, but it took so long. Um, so that's what I was waiting for, and that's why as soon as I saw this, I was like, boom, dude, I am going. I just I went to this screen. And I just stayed on this screen the whole day and just waited for it. When in reality, I should have still continued to look at this screen, um, because I would have saw the Tesla move happen, and AMD was nothing. I should have kept the video there, honestly. But I had NVIDIA on this chart, right? So, which again, I forgot I didn't set alerts. It was a sloppy Monday on my part. So I want you guys to learn from it. To always come to the market prepared. Like do your research the night before. Give yourself a thesis of all right, if it goes up here, then it could go to here. If it goes below here, then we could go to here. Right? We're not guessing what way the market's going to go because that would give us our own bias. So we're not giving the market a bias. We're just reacting to what the market gives us. So if the market gives us a down day, right? If we break below pre-market lows or the previous day lows, then we know we're going down to the next area of liquidity. If we break above, we're going to the next area, right? So don't have a bias because if you think we're going up, but the market gives us down, you'll keep adding at lows, thinking that, or even at highs when it bounces, you're gonna think that that's it. Like this is the reversal. This is the reversal, but it's never made a higher high yet. Like we're still in the overall downtrend. So just make sure you guys are careful with that and keep watching. I hope you guys can learn from this video, from my mistake, right? Today was doing zero DTE. So overall lesson of the day, do 1 day out. I entered a trade at 11:30 and I didn't even do a day out. So that was a rookie mistake on my part and it's recognized and journaled. And also watching other screens. So I think I'm gonna go buy a bigger computer, bigger monitor, just because I've had some good. We've been on fire in the Discord. So, anyways, I hope you guys learned from that. I hope it helped. I hope it made sense to you guys and what to look for. And yeah, it's your boy Mike Lowy. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want any videos covering anything else. And we out you.